Registration for an annual event celebrating local breast cancer survivors is underway. Early bird registration for lacrosse's Steppin Out In Pink wraps up this Sunday. After this weekend, registration prices increase the closer we get to the event. In the last decade, tens of thousands have walked in the event, raising millions of dollars for cancer prevention, treatment, and research locally. For both fighters and supporters, seeing support from our community helps them through their journey.
If they're going through their treatments, that support system is key to their journey. Just having people, knowing that people care, that there's people that reach out to them if they need somebody to talk to, and just to give a hug.
To register, head to steppinoutinpink.org. A new music event, the Fishhook Festival, starts the weekend's festivities at the Lacrosse Lager Field September 9th. Half of those ticket sales will also go towards Steppin' Out in Pink.